子是什么样子？看得到铁吗？是不是看不太到？那我会换位置，这边有点难瞧。
这边看不了，
不然我写在上面一点，就是我写在不同的地方。
所以你看不到。
对，没关系，我是写一样的东西。Okay, so anyone here tell me what the solution looks like when lambda is greater than 0? We have this exponential curve that we talked about last week. Or when c is negative, we have this curve here. 下面看得到吗？ And if lambda is less than 0, then we have this curve or this curve. And when we compare these two, we see that this is what we call a stabilizing solution. And this one is a diverging solution. And this is what we prefer in a physical system. As you saw in the examples in the last 2 R's, there was this floppy thing, and you want to stabilize that with some control technique. What happens when lambda equals to 0? Lambda 等于0的时候，解是什么样子？ Yes, it will be a constant passing through some fixed value. Oh, thank you. We got some good markers now. So this is to give you an idea of why this differential equation helps us determine the stability of the equation, the system. And now we want to talk about how this differential equation is related to linear algebra. 所以今天会花一些时间来讲那个eigenvalue， 还有那个矩阵的运算。然后为什么呢？就是因为它跟我们的微分方程式的解释有相关的。Have you heard that the stability of an of a system is determined by its eigenvalues? And this is a little that shows why, and we will show why in general the stability of a system is determined by its eigenvalues. So here, next step, we want to make a connection between differential equation and just matrices. Or linear algebra. Let's recall the pendulum equation. Does anyone remember the pendulum equation? 单摆的那个方程式，是几阶的方程式？ What order equation is a pendulum, single pendulum? I think it was shown just in that slide, right? we had it shown when I came in the room. This one is the pendulum equation. I will. 你们看得到荧幕吗？
没有看到。
你帮我切一下荧幕。这个视讯的部分往后还要再调整过，因为现在这个还有很多地方会卡住。This is a pendulum equation, and we mentioned last time that we would like to, many times to convert it to a linear equation. Oh, sorry. This is a second order differential equation. We would like to convert it to a first order differential equation. So when we have a second order equation, we know that you can set, say, x1 as theta and x2 as d theta dt. Then x1 dot x2 dot will equal to x1 dot is equal to
我们现在这样看不到黑板哦，就白板。
你帮我调镜头好了，所以就放那个，是没有视讯而已，是不是没有视讯？
对。
我就要按那个。好，你们告诉我说右手边要写什么？我想要把它从2阶的方程式转换成为1阶的方程式。这应该是比较熟悉的一个动作。How do I convert this second order to first order? What should I put here? x1 dot is d theta dt, so that equals to x2. How about x2 dot? 看得到吗？
对，现在看不到。
Okay, you have